వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం. సవై పుంసాం పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తిరధోక్షజ అహైతుక్యా ప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఓం అజ్ఞానతిమిరాంధస్య జ్ఞానాంజనశలాకయా చక్షురున్మీలితం యేన తస్మై శ్రీగురవే నమః. సవై పుంసా పరో ధర్మో యతో భక్తి అధోక్షజే అహైతికి అప్రతిహత యయాత్మా సుప్రసీదతి. ఎపిసోడ్ 11. సో another story, how wife should be happy with the husband regardless of what the husband is. It is very standard. Modern standards are false. Modern standard, husband should be happy regardless of what the wife does. The husband should be fully chaste to the wife. This is modern standard. Nowadays, spiritual master is not ordered the disciple. Spiritual master is always telling, you are a good boy, you have done so much service. Amito Kangala Krishna Krishna Bole. Spiritual master is running, where are you, my disciple? This is not very good program. So one time, it is Vedic times, not this time, there was one couple. The husband was too lusty. He is always running after one prostitute. That is the story. In the same way, even Krishna does not treat us properly. We should not be unhappy. We should be always be happy with him. Ashlishyava padarasam pinashtama madarsanat marmahatam karotva yada tadhava vidadatu lampataha mat prananadastu sayeva naparaha. Lampata means cheater. That is well known. Supreme Lord Krishna is Jyotam Chaleto Asmi. Of all the cheaters, I am the best cheater. Because of our cheating mentality, he is the best cheater. So whatever Krishna gives, he gives difficulty. We accepted happily. He gives you wealth, we accepted happily. Sudama, Brahman, he will put in all conditions of difficulties. He was always happy. He did not ask from Krishna anything. Even when he went to meet Krishna, his wife was telling him, your friend Krishna is such a big personality, the Supreme Lord. You go to him, you don't have to ask, he will give something. But Sudama Brahmana did not want to ask. He was carrying in his Uttariya, he had made knot. He was carrying some chipped rice in the knot. That too chipped rice was borrowed. He had nothing. And Krishna, after discussing with Sudama Brahmana, went a day. Brahmana was going to leave. Krishna asked Sudama, you came all the way. Did you bring anything for me? Just see, Krishna is asking the poor Brahmana, nothing worried to bring for me. He started opening the knot, because in those days, if the cloth was torn, he did not stitch it. If you stitch it, the cloth become impure. That is the Vedic standard. He did not stitch. Stitch would be just unstitched cloth. Woven cloth only. No shirt, pant and all this. No stitching. That was the standard. There were lot of knots in Uttariya of Sudama. Krishna did not know in which knot the chipped rice was. So he was opening the one after the other, all the different knots Sudama. Brahmana was feeling totally embarrassed. Because he is the Supreme Lord, he is touching the dirty Uttariya and he was feeling totally embraced. But when Krishna opened the right knot, took one morsel, handful, and put in his mouth, he was so happy, Sudama. Brahmana unhappiness was not that was start. His unhappiness was that Krishna, the Sarvaishwarya Bhagavan, he has touched him, taken the chipud rice, not worthy for him. This was his unhappy. We are unhappy with the other way. So we are not chaste. We are not sati. Sati means wife, chaste wife, want to give happiness to her husband, the Supreme Lord. Sudama, Brahmana, was always thinking how to make Krishna happy. He never asked Krishna. Finally he came back. He is meditating in his mind. He was very good that Krishna was not giving anything, because Krishna knows, even he given me something, I would have become a sense gratifier. So it is very nice that he has not given me anything. In this way he was thinking. When he came to the world place turned into the big palace, and his wife recognizable only so that Sudama recognized his wife. Everything else was unrecognizable. This is stated by Acharyas. Our Acharya stated that Sudama Brahmana could not recognize the place. Anything in that place could not recognize. Only thing he would recognize was his wife. Although she was dressed like a beautiful queen, but she was recognizable to that degree. Krishna gave opulence, but still Sudama remained detached. Whatever Krishna gives, whether it is 2 pice or 2 million pice, a devotee should be happy. The difficulties are imaginations only. There is no real difficulty. It is a matter of relationship. So difficulties also very wonderful. In a family life, difficulties bring us close together, When there is difficulties, husband and wife much closer. Generally, there is fighting with each other. If other man attacked the family, they become united. This is the secret. If you want to unite one family, if you eager to unite one family, you become the common enemy. They will be united. Krishna gives you some difficulty which is external, so that this difficulty Krishna gives becomes the cause of near Krishna more intimately. You understand? The difficulties serve the purpose of uniting you, Krishna, more intensely. So generally the wife should be very well decorated. Similarly, a devotee anything asks for himself, because he is completely satisfied for Krishna's sake, he can ask. One time Yudhishthira Maharaj expressed to Sri Krishna, "My dear Krishna, I want big kingdom." Krishna totally surprised. This desire is entirely opposite to his character. He never wanted anything. So Krishna said, "I am very disappointed, Yudhishthira. Thought, you are only one bhakta, at least ask for anything, but you are also asking me. I am quite disappointed." So, and then Yudhishthira Maharaj replied, No, my dear Krishna, don't be disappointed. I have a reason. Krishna said, "What is your reason? You want to compete with Duryodhana or what?" No. Generally people think when you become a devotee of Krishna, you become poverty stricken. I want to change this. I want to prove to the world that your devotee has all opulences. So please give me. That's why Maya Dhanava built wonderful palace for Yudhishthira Maharaj. Krishna told Arjuna, Maya Dhanava saved from forest fire. Krishna said, "Alright, you can build a palace for Pandavas." We can discuss this later. I stop this episode here. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम राम राम